Tip of the day, don't throw out your old fruit. Simply take a nice big grill like I have my rock grill from Costco, spray it well, cut up your fruit, add it to the grill when it's nice and hot. You can add some more olive oil spray on it if you want, and some cinnamon, or because it's almost pumpkin season, some pumpkin spice. It's super delicious. You can add it to your yogurt, your oatmeal, your cereal. Have it just like that, heat it up, and it's yummy. Risa Warner YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Just wanted to show you something that I thought would be super delicious. Some grilled peaches. Okay, so I had some peaches that have gotten really soft, and you know, it's just such an easy, delicious idea to take your grill. I have my rock grill, and you can see the steam. It's really hot, and I'm going to start putting my peaches on the grill, and I have some cinnamon. And you could even put some pumpkin spice on it, a little bit of cinnamon sugar if you want. But these peaches are super sweet because they're very ripe, and it only takes a few minutes. You can just eat it like that. You can make my granola and have it in your cereal or with my granola. With some yogurt, in your overnight oats, in my recipes as well, of course. And it's a great snack. If you're on Gina Livy, this would be a great morning snack. And again, you could add it to your breakfast. And yeah, just such a simple, easy, quick idea, right? And I love my rock grill because look how big it is, and I probably cut up about 7 or 8 peaches. And you could do this with nectarines. You can do it with any of your hard fruits that are starting to go bad, and just simply sprinkle on before or after or during some cinnamon. You could add a little bit of sea salt, okay? And I can't wait to have these again as a snack, and then you'll see that they get browned really quickly. So just keep an eye on it. You like these little grill marks. I should have probably turned these over first and then put on the cinnamon, but you can do what you want. Okay, so an easy, simple idea. Don't forget Risa Weiner YouTube. Subscribe, tell your friends. This is versatile, you know, and it is super delicious. Tell me what you think.